Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss how to find the square root of decimal numbers. Okay, we are having a decimal number over here and we will discuss how to find the square root of this number using long division method. Now, the first thing is how to pair these numbers. Okay, how to pair the decimal part along with the non-decimal part. Okay, so consider a number. I am writing it here 164.3.216. Okay, and 5. It is a number. Okay, and we are willing to find its square root. So we will discuss how to pair this number. So the pairing will start from the decimal point. Here is the decimal number, and we will approach pairing from decimal part to the left and from decimal part to the right. Okay, first discuss to the left part. We will pair it like this, from back two elements and from back these two elements. Okay, and now we'll approach from point to the another uh, half. So we will pair this element from the decimal portion and then these two elements. So I have got four bar sign or four pairs over here. So now come back to the question, that is we have to find the square root of 17.64. 17.64. Okay, so we will pair this number. So this is our first pair and this is our second pair. Now we will solve it in a normal way. First, we know 3 3 is a 9 and 4 4 is 16. So we will take the smaller part, uh, and this is the smaller part, that is 4 4 is 16. Okay, and on subtracting this we got 1. Now we will copy this point over here. Okay, and we will copy the 64, that is the next pair, down here. And now we will double the quotient, that is 4 to 8. And now we will write any number here and here. Okay, for example we write 2, so we have to multiply it by 2. So 2 2 is 4 and 2 8 is 16, so 164. So we have done. So we will write 2 and 2. So 2 2 is 4 and 2 8 is 16. On subtracting this we are got answer 0. So here, that is the 4.2 is the square root of the given number. So we can write that is the square root of 17.64 is equals to 4.2. This is how we find the square root of any number. So we are having example 13 here. Find the square root of 12.25. So we will write it. So first we have to pair the element. This is first pair, this is second pair, and now we know 3 3 is a 9, so 3 3 is a 9, and on subtracting we got 3. Now we will copy this point over here and we will copy the rest part, that is 25. Okay, and now the step is we have to double the quotient. Here it is 3, so 3 2 is 6. Now we have took an element number and write it next to 6 and multiply by the same number. It is because it is containing 5 in the last, so we'll take the first 5 as a first choice. So 65 into 5, so 5 5s are 25 into 2, and the question the remind to carry 2, and 5 6 are 30 to 32. Okay, 325. So here it is 325, so I will write it as 5. Okay, so 325. 5. On subtracting, we got answer 0. So this 3.5 is the square root of 12.25. So we got that if we find the square root of this number, we will get 3.5. This is how we find the square root of any numbers. Okay, so this is uh, what we have discussed, and in the next video we will discuss uh, estimating square roots. Okay, so till now we are done. Thank you.